In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record Roblox videos using OBS Studio. Whether you're new to video creation or looking to refine your skills, this walkthrough will give you everything you need to know to record your gameplay efficiently. As we go through the process, feel free to pause the video or replay any sections you need to. Let's dive right in. First, before anything else, make sure OBS Studio is installed on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to their official website to download the appropriate version for your operating system. Once OBS is up and running, you'll want to open it up, so let's do that now. With OBS Studio open, take a moment to get acquainted with the interface. It might look a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. We'll break it down step by step. You'll notice several sections, but the one we're interested in right now is the Controls panel. You'll find this section typically on the lower right-hand side of the screen. It's your main hub for starting and stopping recordings. Click on Controls. You'll see options like Start Streaming, Start Recording, and Others. Our focus is on the Start Recording button today. But before we hit that, a quick tip. It's important to ensure your settings are correctly configured before recording to get the best quality videos. Go into the Settings menu and check that everything suits your needs. This might include setting up your video output resolution and the folder to which your recordings will be saved. A smaller resolution will result in lower quality video but smaller file sizes, so adjust according to your system's capabilities and your needs. Once your settings are optimized, you're ready to begin recording. Return to the Controls area and locate the Start Recording button. Click on it, and you'll see an indicator turning red, signifying that OBS Studio is now actively recording your screen. Now you're all set up to record your Roblox game. Launch Roblox and begin your gameplay. Everything you do from this point on will be captured by OBS Studio. Keep an eye on OBS's status to ensure that your recording is ongoing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't worry if your first recording isn't flawless. You can refine your techniques as you go. When you've finished your gaming session, you'll want to save the recording. Go back to OBS Studio and click the button that now says Stop Recording in place of the Start Recording. Your video file will automatically be saved in the location you specified earlier in the settings. And there you have it, a seamless guide to getting started with recording your Roblox gameplay using OBS Studio. I hope this walkthrough has demystified the process for you. Keep experimenting and happy recording.